Hello guys, welcome to the new video. Today, I will show you how to set your hourly price on Upwork. First, log into your Upwork account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Edit Profile. Scroll down to the hourly rate section. Click on the pencil icon next to your current rate. Enter your desired hourly rate and click Save. Make sure your rate reflects your experience and the type of work you do. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.